This is the turn signal module that fits quite a few GM models, including the Chevy HHr and the Chevy Cobalt. I will take it apart and show you how to fix the non-canceling issue that these turn signals have. First thing is to take out the 4 screws. Now when you remove this top cover, you want to make sure that nothing pops out. So you stick a screwdriver in there to hold it all in place. Take this cover off. This little black piece comes off. And the little white piece comes off. Now the fix is to remove this little brass spring. It's held in by a couple little nubs. See, it has some holes in the ends. So if it was in here like this, if you turn it around like that and put it back together, then it'll be bent the opposite way, and it should help with your canceling. Now I already did this to my car, so I'm going to put it back the way it was. You want to make sure that it goes back on the nubs.
Here's a close-up so you can see better detail.
Like that. Put the white piece back in. See how it presses against the spring. This black piece goes back on. Like so. Cover back on. Now, one way to get this cover on without everything flying apart is to just put your screwdriver in here like this. Put the cover back on. Pull your screwdriver out. Make sure that your seams are all tight. That tells you your pieces are all in place. You can put it back together. Get all the screws back in, and you can reinstall it in your car.